All right, guys, this is going to be a super short video. I want to make it short and sweet. I need to not bore myself or you. Let's keep this short, sweet. I need like the best 5 minutes of your life. Like, I need you to honestly like focus 5 good minutes and we're done. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to put this down. So we're reviewing for this test. All right. I just wanted to show you a really quick example. There's two ways that you can do this. I want you to remember that you can count on, of course, rule is add 20. You can definitely go ahead and say 771 plus 20. 771 plus 20, I'm just writing over this, is 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 2, 9, and then you have 791. And we can definitely do it that way. But another way that I want you to see is that we can also go ahead and we can also say, okay, I need to add 20. So how many times do I need to add 20? So I went from here to here and I added 20. So plus 20 one time. Then I went from there to there and I added another 20. So therefore I need to add a total of 40 in order to get to the third number. So I have to add it to my original number, 771, plus the total of 40 that I need to add. I have 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here goes another one. 7 plus 1 is 8. And do you see, I still end up with that 811 right there. And that is just a strategy that I wanted to show you is you can use multiplication or addition. So 20 times 2 is 40, or 20 plus 20 is 40. You can use multiplication, addition in order to achieve the goal of continuing the pattern. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is down here. I want you to 100% don't forget that you have to start with the original or core pattern. So I want you to see right here where it says the core pattern is right up, up. That means there are three, okay, three things in the original, 3 arrows. So this is an arrow. So 3 arrows in the original shape, right? So let's go with what the original shape says. I'm going to erase this right here. The original shape is right, up, up. And they want us to know, it says draw the next 3 shapes in the pattern. So we have right. So I'm going to go here. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. What comes next? Up, right. There you go. We are continuing it, not with whatever we see here. So we're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're not counting like that. That is not what we're doing. What we're doing is we're finding the original pattern and we are following the original pattern. Okay. And then we are making sure that we follow that original pattern. All right. Let me delete that. That is a big, quick review that I wanted to go through. Another thing, I don't want to sit here and say, blah, blah. I don't want to go too boring, but I want you to see here where they said, okay, again, draw the 50th shape in the pattern. We know that there are 3, right, up, up, 3 in the original. So if we wanted to go to 50, we can divide to find out how many times I can repeat this equally. 50 divided by 3, 3 goes into 5 once, and then I have what, 2 left over, right? 3 goes into 26 times, so that means, and then there is what, 4 left over, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, there's 4 left over. Well, can't be 4 left over. 3 goes into 26 times. 6 times 3 is 18. There is not 4 left over. What am I talking about? There's 2 left over. 2, because 3 times 6 is 18. So there's 2 left over. So we can do the original pattern 16 times, and then we go 1, 2. So we would stop at up. We would stop at up. And again, what I did was I divided the original pattern, the 3 arrows in the original pattern, by the number that I want to get to. Okay. And that's how I got here. And I know that I can repeat these 3 original pattern 16 equal times. But then I'm going to only be able to repeat 2 of the arrows 17th time because I don't have enough to make 17 equal times. Or you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way till you get to 15. If that's what you need to do, then that's what you need to do. All right. Remember, everybody's brain works different. I want you to feel comfortable with whatever you are doing in order to get the answer. And nobody else is going to be there to do the test for you. You're the one that's going to be there. So whatever you're comfortable with, that's what you need to do. Okay. All right. And next, let's see. So here it says Sam creates a pattern using the rule. Each story has 3 blocks. So we have 3. Then here goes an additional 3. And then they put 2 extra here. So we need to look each story. So this is the first story, the second story, and then the third story. So I want you to realize what they mean by story is the rows. So we have the first row, then we have the second row, then we have the third row. That's how stories or buildings get built on top of each other. Draw the next shape in Sam's pattern. So if the first row started with 3, the second row had 6, the third row had 9, then they want us to draw the fourth row. And what we talked about was that they're multiples. So it's 3, 6, 9, and then there's going to be 12. You guys should know that. We talked about that this morning. Actually, yesterday morning. All right. Now, let me erase this, and I think that's it. You guys, thank you so much for your good 5, 5, 5. Well, this is 10. 5, 5, 5 great minutes. Go ahead to your next video. Bye.